Northern Italy offers a treasure trove of Christmas desserts that reflect its rich culinary traditions and regional diversity. Each treat has its unique flavors and history, making the holiday season a delightful time for sweet lovers. Here are some favorite Christmas desserts from Northern Italy. Perhaps the most iconic Christmas dessert in Italy, Panettone originates from Milan in Lombardy. This dome-shaped sweetbread is made with a mix of flour, eggs, butter, and sugar, with raisins and candied fruits woven into its fluffy dough. Traditionally baked over several days to develop its complex flavor, Panettone is often served with mascarpone cream, sweet spreads, or simply dusted with powdered sugar. Modern variations feature chocolate, nuts, or exotic fruit fillings. Hailing from Verona in the Veneto region, Pandoro is another star of the Italian Christmas table. Its name means golden bread, a nod to its rich, buttery dough and golden yellow hue. Unlike Panettone, Pandoro is plain but no less indulgent. It is typically dusted with powdered sugar and cut into horizontal slices to resemble a Christmas tree. Many families enjoy it with whipped cream or chocolate sauces. Torrone. Torrone, a traditional nougat, is a popular Christmas treat throughout northern Italy, with Cremona in Lombardy being particularly famous for its production. Made with egg whites, honey, sugar, and nuts like almonds or hazelnuts, it comes in both soft and crunchy varieties. Some recipes include citrus zest or chocolate for extra flavor. Torrone is a classic holiday gift and a must-have for festive gatherings. Panforte. Although its origins trace to Tuscany, Panforte is beloved in many parts of northern Italy as well. This dense, spiced fruitcake is packed with dried fruits, nuts, honey, and warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. It's a favorite during the holiday season, often enjoyed with a glass of wine or coffee after a hearty Christmas meal. Strudel di mele. In Trentino Alto Adige, the Germanic influence is evident in the popularity of strudel di mele, or apple strudel. This dessert features thin, flaky pastry wrapped around a filling of spiced apples, raisins, pine nuts, and sometimes a splash of rum. It is often served warm with a dusting of powdered sugar, making it a comforting treat in the cold holiday season. Zelton. Zelton is a festive fruitcake from Trentino, traditionally made with a mix of dried fruits, nuts, and aromatic spices. Its name derives from the German word selten, meaning rarely, as it was historically prepared only for special occasions like Christmas. Decorated with whole almonds or candied fruits, Zelton is as beautiful as it is delicious. Northern Italy's Christmas desserts celebrate the season with flavors that range from rich and buttery to spiced and fruity, offering something for everyone to enjoy during the holidays.